We wrote this ditty all about our city to bid you welcome, hello.
Hello.
She's full of history and steeped in mystery. Just round the corner, you'll know.
Every sunset inspires nights at bonfires. Her nightlife is second to none.
So come to Winterburg, dance in Winterburg, laugh in Winterburg, prance in Winterburg. She's full of life in Berg, skinny different Berg. Drop fat beats and shake your butt in Berg. Get together in Windenburg. Raise a glass in Windenburg. Have you tried the currywurst?
Huh? 'Cause she's a city
For the young and the pretty.
Where even your grandpa can play.
So have some espresso.
Get down with
Put
Ernesto.
on your armor and stay.
'Cause hipsters and
Make
locals
sweet like my vocals.
There's no place that I'd rather play. So head to Winterburg, wed in Winterburg, bed in Windenburg, Windenburg. She's full of life in Berg, singing loud in Berg. Join a club and make new friends in Berg. Get together in